What's that over there? That's that right there. 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 What's up, y'all? This is Miss Know All, and I'm here to give you the latest in Black celebrity news, brought to you by our Black celebrity website called Y'all Know What. So, my nosies, of course, you know that I'm still flying high off of the debut of Empire, starring Terrence Howard and Taraji Henson, that debuted on Fox Wednesday night. And let me tell you, this is probably the best debut I have seen of any show, like, in a long time. I don't know whether it's because people were thirsty for an actual scripted television show, you know, not reality shows. But I, of course, love reality shows. But it was wonderful. The characters was just depicted so well. The Empire, let me give you a little background. Empire is about this dad. His name is Lucius Lyons. I love that name. And he has 3 sons. The oldest son is, what's the oldest son name? Andre. The oldest son is named Andre. And he's kind of like the business sense of the business. He helps his dad with the business side of it. You know, he graduated, went to grad school and all that. The middle son is named Jamal. And he's played by, you know, Journey Smollett. Well, her older brother, Jussie. He is just a doll. But anyway, he's the songwriter and the singer of the family. And he's also a homosexual. Which his dad doesn't really, you know, feel his lifestyle, but he tries to get along with him. And the youngest son is Hakeem. Hakeem, I would say Hakeem is probably his dad's favorite. But he's hot-tempered just like his dad. And he's also an artist. He's a rapper, though. He's a thuggish rapper, and he does his job really well. He raps well, and Jamal sings well. And the oldest son, Andre, he does his business well with the record label, but I don't know. It seems like he's got a lot going on in his mind. I think he might have mental illness or something. That might be coming up in the other episodes coming up. But anyway, all of them share the same mom. It's a lady that pretty much started the record label business with her $400,000 drug money. Her name is Cookie Lyons. That's her name. And that's their mom. And she actually spent time in jail, 17 years to be exact, because of the drugs. And she pretty much started it, like I said, with the $400,000 drug money. And she's released. And she wants half of the company back, because half of that money is what started it. So she wants what's hers. Well, anyway, it goes back and forth and everything. It's really, the writing is superb up there. The homosexual parts, I think it's just one in there where Jussie kisses his little Mexican boyfriend, but it's just like a little kiss, you know. If y'all want to go up there and see it on Hulu or on Fox.com, you know, the first episode, you know, you might have to be weary of that, but it's just one little scene. But otherwise, everything is pretty clean. Everything's pretty, you know, cut clear. Terrence Howard actually is trying to groom one of his sons to run the business. He wanted to do this anyway, but he has to really kind of like speed up the process a little bit, because he's just been diagnosed with ALS. And ALS is that disease that, you know, the bucket challenge, the ice bucket challenge, that disease that we kind of like, you know, whatever. It's related to the bucket challenge thing. It's an autoimmune disease, and it's called ALS. And then he was diagnosed with that, and he actually has about 3 years to live. The doctor said it could be, you know, sooner than that. So he's actually trying to groom one of his sons to actually take on the role of being leader of the record company. And I would have thought that he would just automatically choose his oldest son, but you know, he's letting them fight it out, you know, until he figure out who would be best suited. Taraji Henson does her thing with Cookie. She really does. Terrence Howard is probably the best, one of the best actors ever. He's just such a good actor. And he's probably a cross between Barry Gordy and Prince Daddy on Purple Rain. He had like a little vibe like him. Anyway, it's great. It's a great show. The secretary of Terrence Howard, well, Lucius Lyons, his secretary is actually played by Gabourey Sidibe. And I don't know if I'm pronouncing her name right, but she's, played the part as Precious. And she just adds so much flair to the show. And let's see what else. What's another character that's pretty good? Malik Yoba is up there. He plays kind of like one of Lucius's friends and right-hand men. And it's just a lot going on. But probably the basis that they wanted us to start with Wednesday night was that they kind of wanted us to see that the mom has taken over. Jamal's, the singer and songwriter son, the middle son, had taken his side. And then Lucius is behind the rapper side, the youngest son. And I think they're going to be kind of like literally fighting it out to see who would be best suited to run the company. But I don't know. I think the older son is probably saying, well, we're going to let them fight it out. And then I'm going to be the only one standing. And I'm going to be the, the main choice to run the company. So I think that's what the older son is hoping for. But anyway, I cannot wait for next Wednesday. I am so excited. Empire opened to I think it was 12 million people that saw it. Like a whole lot more people than American Idol, I think. American Idol came on before them. So I think more people watched them than the debut of American Idol, which is kind of scary. But anyway, it was good. It was wonderful. The next episode happens to be Wednesday also at 10 o'clock. And that shows some more upcoming scenes that's going on in Empire coming up for the season. And it just looks like it's got a lot of drama. A lot of drama and a lot of fighting and cursing and oh yeah, and then we got something this first episode, at the end. Y'all watch all the way to the end because a couple of little surprises at the end. it was just great. Just a great show. So I definitely give this 5 question marks from y'allknowwhat.com. Y'all who don't know my rating. The 1 question mark is poor, very poor. I have no feeling for it at all. 5 question marks is you can't get no better. But I don't know. I might put it on 4 question marks because I have a feeling it's going to get better toward the end. So I'm going to leave it at 4 question marks, okay? And I think this is a wrap. And like I said, Empire is on Fox News, well, Fox Network. And it's going to be, the second episode is coming up Wednesday. And the showtime is at 10 o'clock. And for those of you who want to look at it, you can come to our website, y'allknowwhat.com, and read up on the characters a little bit. And you can also subscribe to us on this channel, YouTube channel, Y'all Know What. And you can like us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter and Instagram. And we got you. Anyway, I'm Miss Know All, and I want to say peace to all of my nosies, and y'all have a wonderful, wonderful day. Peace.